Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. I am going to discuss question number 21 that has been taken from exercise 5.1 chapter 5 continuity and differentiability. The question is discuss the continuity of the following function. The function is f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implies that given that f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x, this thing can be written as implied that f of x is equal to, this is the function sin x plus cos x. In this function we shall apply a trick. Multiply to this function by under root 2 and also divide by this function by under root 2. So here I shall multiply this function by under root 2. So here write under root 2 and this function will be divided by sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x will be divided by under root 2. If you interact with the under root 2 in numerator with the under root 2 in denominator, both will be cancelled out. We will get here original function. So here I can write very well, imply that f of x is equal to, in bracket I shall write under root 2 and here I shall open curly bracket and here I shall write sin x will be in one bracket and 1 over under root 2 will be another bracket plus cos x I shall write in one bracket and in bracket comes out to be 1 over under root 2. Curly bracket close. So here I shall write in bracket under root 2 and here open here curly bracket sin x dot 1 over under root 2 comes out to be cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4, pi means 180 degree, 180 over 4 comes out to 45. Cos 45 degree equal to 1 over under root 2 plus cos x will be in one bracket and here you can see 1 over under root 2. You can write very well sin pi by 4 curly bracket close. Sin pi by 4, 180 by 4 comes out to be 45. Sin 45 equal to 1 over under root 2. So it will become here write f of x equal to, imply that here I can write very well f of x equal to in bracket under root 2 and here sin x dot cos pi by 4 plus cos x dot sin pi by 4. This can become as sin in bracket x plus pi by 4 it will become. This is the formula sin a plus b. Here you can know the formula sin a plus b is equal to sin a dot cos b plus cos a dot sin b. This is the formula. Here sin a minus b comes out to be here sin a dot cos b minus cos a dot sin b. This is the formula you must remember. So here you can see sin a dot cos b plus cos a dot sin b. Whole term from this place to this place can be written as sin x plus pi by 4. So here f of x is equal to in bracket under root 2 dot sin x plus pi by 4 you have got. The value of f of x will be under root 2 dot sin in bracket x plus pi by 4. Now what we'll do next? Here x is variable. So here I shall let something. Let x is equal to a, where a belong to the set of real number. Let x equal to a, where x equal to a, where a belong to the set of real numbers. Capital R. Here capital R is the set of real numbers. Let x equal to a, where a belong to the set of real numbers. So here I shall get the left hand limit as well as right hand limit and also f of a at x equal to a. So here I shall write at x equal to a, implied that left hand limit equal to lim. Here it is written x equal to a. In this sense, here I can write x tends a. Here since left hand limit is written, left is written, for left I shall write negative. F of x equal to lim f tends a of negative. In place of f of x, I shall write here, open here curly bracket, in bracket under root 2, bracket close dot, sin x plus pi by 4, I shall write curly bracket close. So here it can become equal to put here under root 2 outside. So we will get here under root 2 dot lim x tends a of negative sin in bracket x plus pi by 4 comes out to be. Now again I shall write implied that left hand limit equal to, here I shall write under root 2, and here lim x tends a of negative can be converted as lim h tends 0, then here it comes out to be sign in bracket. Here in place of x I shall write x is equal to a minus h. So here write a minus h plus pi by 4 will be written, bracket close, comes out to be. Now what will do next? Here I shall write equal to, in bracket under root 2 will be written, and remove lim x tends 0 from here. So here in this function we will put here h equal to 0. So here I shall write sign in bracket a minus 0 plus pi by 4 equal to under root 2 dot sin a plus pi by 4 bracket close. This thing you have got. Left hand limit equal to under root 2 dot sin a plus pi by 4 bracket close. This thing you have got. Here at x equal to a. Now I shall find out right hand limit at x equal to a. So here I shall write right hand limit at x equal to a, where a belong to the set of real numbers. So here I shall write at x equal to a implied that right hand limit equal to lim. Here x equal to a. In this sense, here I can write x tends a. Here since right is written for right, here I shall write positive, a positive. F of x I shall write equal to lim x tends a of positive. In place of f of x I shall write in curly bracket under root 2 dot sin x plus pi by 4 curly bracket close. Now what will do next? Next, here I shall write equal to, put here under root 2 outside dot, here I shall write lim x tends a of positive sin in bracket x plus pi by 4 bracket close. At x equal to a implied that right hand limit equal to, here I shall write under root 2 dot, in place of lim x tends a of positive I shall write lim h tends 0 and sin in bracket, in place of x I shall write a plus h plus pi by 4 equal to under root 2 dot, leave h tends 0 from this place, so put here h equal to 0. So here you will get sine in bracket a plus 0 plus pi by 4 equal to under root 2 sine a plus pi by 4 bracket close. At s equal to a, right hand limit equal to under root 2 dot sine a plus pi by 4 you have got. So here you can see left hand limit at s equal to a comes out to be under root 2 dot sine a plus pi by 4, and also at s equal to a right hand limit comes out to be under root 2 dot sine a plus pi by 4 bracket close. And now again I shall find out f of a. So here I shall write f of a. F of a equal to under root 2 dot sine, in place of x I shall write a plus pi by 4. F of a equal to under root 2 dot sine in bracket a plus pi by 4. So here I can write very well, since f of a equal to left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to in bracket under root 2 dot sine in bracket a plus pi by 4 you have got it. Just daily f of a under root 2 dot sine a plus pi by 4. Here also right hand limit under root 2 dot sine a plus pi by 4. Here left hand limit under root 2 dot sine a plus pi by 4 you have got. Hence, therefore, f of x is continuous for all values of x. Therefore, f of x is continuous for all value of x. So here I shall discuss the continuity of f of x at all points of the x. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 21, exercise 5.1, that has been taken from chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. Okay guys, thanks.